Hi, this video explains some aspects of the terrain analysis. This is a DEM of a part of Maharashtra. This represents the Western Ghat and the nearby region. Now let's see how we can produce a hillshade map for this geographical area. For hillshade we can use the tool analysis, and here is the module hillshade from GDAL. Then you can select a layer, a DEM layer, and do not change anything over here, keep the default values, and then you need to save a output file. Okay. So I will name it as hillshade 2 and I will save it and I will press run. It will take some time. Yeah, now the output is ready. So this is how hillshade map looks like, and here you can see you can imagine a terrain in three-dimensional form. You can improve the visibility by processing DEM and hillshade. Let me bring DEM at the top and let me change the transparency of DEM to 60%. Yeah. So now with these changes you can view the surface in much better way. Here you can see all the terrain topography. These are the hills, and these are the valleys. This is the reservoir, and this gives you a better imagination of the given geographical area. So this is the advantage of hillshade, where you can imagine the surface in much better way. For example, here I can see this is a hill range, and this is a valley, and this is another valley. So it provides a better imagination of a terrain. Now let's see how can we calculate the slope of the area of given geographical area. So I will use the raster analysis slope. I will use DEM. I will not change anything over here. I need slope to be indicated in degrees and so on. So I will store this layer as slope and I will save it and I will say run. Yeah, so close. So this is how the slope will look like. So let's use symbology, single band pseudo color. Let me use a different color ramp. will just reverse it. Higher the slope, the value will be red, so color will be red. So I will invert the ramp, and here I will increase the terrain, or you can change it. So, okay, we can try over here multiple option. Let's see how it looks like. I will make this as different color. So this is how your slope look like. So higher is the, so more the, so red is the higher slope. And this also I can show in much better way by using a hillshade. So I will change the transparency of this layer. Yeah, by doing this I can now present it in much better way. So these are the slopes in degrees, and you can see the higher the slopes, the color shade is red. So by performing this operation, you can also calculate the slope for from the DEM. Okay, so it gives you a much better representation. So you can see this north facing slope over here, the south facing slope over here, and this is the valley, and these are the high steep ranges with the high slope. And as you move towards west, the slope decreases. Okay, similarly we can also draw something, produce layers on which indicating the aspect using a raster analysis aspect. So the aspect is indicating the direction of the slope. So if 0 degree is north, 90 degree is the east, 180 degree is south, 270 degree is the west. So I will use the DEM for slope, and aspect you need to use DEM in UTM, and I will say return 0 for instead of 9 minus 99 minus 999, that is no data value. And I will store this file as aspect. I will say save, run. Okay, close. So here the aspect indicates the, so this value is between 0 to 360 degrees. 0 is north, and as I said, as you move clockwise the degrees increases. So 90 degrees east. I will use the symbology of single band pseudo color, and I will increase the classes 8. See, apply. So by looking at the color shade you will know in which direction the direction of slope is. So 0 to 51, 51 to 102 degrees, and so on. You can also put the 4 directions like 0, 90, 180 to 70, and I can also check. So this terrain analysis helps you to visualize the terrain in 3-dimensional form, and it also helps in further analysis of the surface. So in this video we have seen how to prepare a hillshade, how to calculate, how to produce the map with the slope and the aspect. Thank you.